on! So many things to think about. The construction project is almost ready. Mary, be careful. How about a party? Wait, what do you want to build there?
Oh, wow.
Mary, give it back. Come on, sis. It's awesome. Are you with me? Sure, of course.
Yay!
I'll have a capsule bed too. Just imagine how cool it'll be. Come on.
Yes!
And the construction begins. Yay! I'm ready to go. What's the plan? First, make the base. Mary, hold on tight. I'll take care of the screws.
Yay!
Megan, we forgot about another beam.
Yeah.
Right, Mary. If you work in a team, you can do anything. Done. Should we do the same with the second bed? Beams, screws, skillful hands, and a strong frame is already done. Mary, there's only one screw left. Oh, right. I'm sorry. Where is it? Yay! Found it! Take it! Thanks, sis. You're the best. The work is in full swing, and it's too early to stop. Walls are next. Let's make them out of cardboard. That's the perfect material. We don't need nails and a hammer now. All you need is a stapler. Mary, are you ready to create? Here is your marker. The contour of the capsule. Oval. Sure. Get a utility knife from the shelf. Cut it out. We're doing pretty well, Mary. High five, sis. We did it. But we forgot something. To close the side walls. Good old cardboard is coming in handy again. Cover the capsules with cardboard. Let's hot glue it. Simple and strong. Uh-oh. Megan is still inside. Don't worry, Mary. I am here. You scared me, Megan. Come out. Mary, wait. We need to do something with this wall. Carefully cut out the doorway. Looks good. And there will be a window. Should we make it in the shape of a heart? Good idea, Mary. Wow, did you see it? Your capsule is unrecognizable. When did you have time? Well, I like it. Now we need to paint the secret houses.
Yay!
Megan chooses yellow. So cute. Mary has a different plan. Her house will be pink.
Na 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 na.
And here is some lighting. What's up, Megan? I need only to decorate all the doorways with shiny tape. And now we are going to repair. Megan's capsule will have blue wallpaper. Mary adds some shine to the walls. So many fun parties can be had here. Let's add lights and bright stickers to the interior. Looks so great! And a real fashionista should have her own fashion corner. It's in order now. It's time to get some rest. A scientific approach is appropriate even in design. Important papers will go here. Add some lights. We love it!
Yes!
Studying in here is so much fun! Plus, Megan has a faithful assistant! What are you talking about? Scaring Mary? Easy!
Wow!
The scenery is ready! The most important thing left is to lure Mary out of the capsule! Sis, come out! Weird! There's no one here. Where did Megan go? Probably hiding in her science capsule. Oh my gosh! Sis, I hate your jokes, Megan. Come to my capsule. Wanna play tic-tac-toe? No one can say no. And luck is on Mary's side today.
Yes!
It's time for beauty. It's never enough. What is this? Another prank? But there is no time for jokes. Only the door will help here. No more science is allowed in the capsule. This is fashion territory. And it's not just a door. What a great photo booth. Mary, we have to go there. I agree. But for a vacation, you have to empty the piggy bank. But it's not much money. Megan also has no money. But she has a great idea. Mary, we'll make money for the tickets. Megan will have a special startup. A beauty business opens in a pink capsule. The Capsule Beauty Salon welcomes every guest. We are serious about beauty here. It's a magical place. And the first client is already on the doorstep. Mary knows how to turn Cinderella into a princess. Wow, I like it. But the best gratitude for the mastery is money. Megan is also busy. Hurry! It's a mathematic disaster! It's so easy for Megan! Done! It's definitely an A! Thank you! You saved me!
Yay!
And the businesswoman is doing fine! Dreams come true! Megan, are you ready for our trip? Oh yes, Mary! Welcome to Troom School! This building is full of knowledge. By the way, those are your lockers.
What?
Oh no! You have got to be kidding me. How about these? The first rule of our school is never argue with the principal. Well, thank you, Miss Sophie. I can't believe it. Wow, that's a lot of junk. Look at that, Lily. Wow, there's a glow right in the wall. I wonder what's in there. Could it be a secret room? Do you see it too, Jane? Let's explore the secret area. Isn't it dangerous? The main thing is that the principal doesn't see us. Be careful! I'm coming! We don't need any witnesses. Yeah, impressive. It looks like an abandoned warehouse. There must be a switch somewhere. Bingo! Let there be light. We need to clean up all the trash and make room. Just imagine, Lily, our private secret room. Great! It's time to get to work. Good job! What's next? I have an idea. Follow me.
Let's go.
And I was like, if you want to ask me out, just say so. I don't think anyone will notice it's missing. You can never have too many shelves. The more the better, right? This will serve as a great base. And the wooden pallets will be the frame for the bed. That's it. Simple as that. And now my favorite. Attaching the boards with the screwdriver. We need some softness. Let me think. Oh, I'll be right back. The school gym is never empty. Jack is practicing his skills. Yeah, it's no easy task. We have to choose the right moment. Watch how I do it. I think this is my chance. Excuse me. Ouch! My back! I got us a mattress. I have to admit, it wasn't easy. But now it's going to be soft. You are a genius, Lily.
Thank you.
I found something too. The foam padding will cover the headboard. The finishing touch is a brightly colored bedspread. And cozy pillows will create a fun atmosphere. Wooden edges can cover the carpet. And, of course, how could it be without stylish decor? I call dibs on the top bunk. I'll take the bottom one then. A soft blanket always comes in handy. This light looks nice. That's beautiful. Oh, I almost forgot about you. You can't have too many lights. You are so good at it. The girls' room is full of secrets. Hey, Lily, can you hear that too? Well, yes. There's someone in there. Let's check it out. Wow, you're desperate. Yay, I did it. Jane, you never cease to amaze me. Oh, my gosh, this is a math class. It looks like they are doing a test. I can see the right answers. Choose the first answer in the fourth question. The friends are not afraid of tests now. Let's see, what do we have here? Needless to say, Lily and Jane's grades have gotten way better. You and I are geniuses. You can have both good food and homework. Do you remember the Pythagorean theorem? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Thank you. I totally forgot. Yummy. It looks like the girls have completely abandoned their secret room. I'm too lazy to go to the trash can. Oh, I am so thirsty. I'll get a Coke. Oops. What a surprise. Lily, are you okay? I'm fine. I think it's time we cleaned up. Now all we have to do is get the right tool. I'm a jolly janitor. Dust doesn't stand a chance. Oh, I'm so hungry. Come to me, my treasure. I did it. I got the broom. We love a clean floor. Come here, French fries. That's it. Right to the garbage bag. All right, that's it for today. 87, 88. No one's going to throw it past the trash can. Huh? Fluffy ruffles. What kind of joke is that? Uh-oh. Littering right under my nose? Well, just you wait. Astronomy is hard. Look at all the constellations. How can I remember them all? I have no idea. The Ursa Major and the Ursa Minor. And Cassiopeia. What a bore. Here's an idea. Should we make a starry sky? If you don't mind. That sounds interesting. Now stick the bulbs in the right constellations. Let's check it out.
Oh my god.
What an exciting moment. Wow, this is fantastic. A boring map turned into a space nightlight. We need a telescope. Now studying for class will be extra fun. Hey, Jane, how about closing the hole in the wall? No, wait. This frame would make a stylish writing board. And we can also make a handy organizer. Are you ready to draw a little? We'll need black acrylic paint and some chalk. Pour the paint into a small container and then add chalk shavings. Great! Let's start painting. Carefully paint the whole perimeter of the cardboard and let the paint dry. Attach cups to the board with glue. Fill the organizer with our favorite stationery. Voila! The chalkboard is ready. Beautiful and very convenient. It's a great day for playing badminton. I'm catching it. There you go. That's not fair. You know, I just had a great idea. Then let's go to our secret room. We'll need birdies and a garland for this idea. While Lily unravels the cord, Jane is working with scissors. We need to make some cuts, like that. And now the final touch. Put the bulbs through the side slits of the birdies. Where do we hang these beauties? What about our board? I think it's awesome. Ah, it's perfect. I know, right? It's so cute. How does that thing spin? There you go! That hula hoop fell off again! Come on, Jane! Don't give up! No! This is ridiculous! I can't do it! Lily's patience seems to have come to an end. Catch it! Let's make something more practical out of it. Tie a rope to the hula hoop, like this. Great! Now do the same thing, but horizontally. And tighten it as much as you can. What do I do with the rest of the rope? Look, what a beautiful cobweb we have. That's very nice. Hang the rope on the ceiling bracket. We attach the hula hoop to it and begin the test drive. Brave Jane goes first. Woohoo! That's so cool! And now it's my turn to try it. What do a globe and paper towels have in common? They can be used to make a decoration for a secret party. Jane uses paper towels for a gorgeous party garland. And Lily has an idea of how to turn a globe into a disco ball. A CD? That's so old-fashioned. Be careful, Lily. Don't hurt yourself on the sharp edges. The glue gun is a good helper. Let's use scissors to cut the paper. Hey, Jane, are you done yet? La 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 la. I'm almost done. The paper pom-poms are ready. All that's left is to attach them to a long rope. The disco globe lit up the whole secret room. A homemade garland always comes in handy. I'm really getting in the party spirit. Attention, everyone! Everyone is invited to our secret party. I just have to come. Oh, wow! This is a big crowd. In that case, you're welcome. Careful, there's not enough room. Wow! Here's my invitation. This is crazy. It looks like the girls are absolutely thrilled. I've always wanted a swing like this. It's so cool here. Lucy, try the cupcakes. I made them myself. You guys, you are so cool. I am so jealous. And now it's time to party. Just music and dancing till morning. What do you think of these light effects? Huh? Where's the noise coming from? What's going on here? Oh no! It's our principal! Excuse us, ma'am. We didn't mean to. Ah! I don't feel so good. Oops! Will someone get her a glass of water?